In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an embed in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place external content on your canvas and configure it so it looks and behaves the way you expect. Start by opening your project in Framer so you're looking at the canvas where you want the embedded content to live. At the top of the interface, click the plus icon to open the Insert menu. This is where you can add presets, components, and utilities to your page. In that Insert menu, hover over the Utilities section. You'll see a collection of practical building blocks. Find the Embed option, then click and drag it onto your canvas. Drop it wherever you want the content to appear. You can always reposition or resize it later, so just get it roughly in place for now. With the Embed element selected, look for the type setting. This is important because it determines how Framer loads your content. You have two main choices, URL and HTML. Click URL to use a direct link from a service that supports embedding. This is great for things like videos, forms, maps, and other shareable experiences that provide an embeddable page. Now, click HTML to see the alternative. HTML lets you paste custom embed code, such as an iframe snippet provided by a platform. This is useful when a service doesn't give you a simple link, but does offer a code block designed to embed. For this walkthrough, switch back to URL so we can use a straightforward link. Click into the URL field, then paste your embeddable link. Press Enter or click Away, and Framer will load a live preview inside the embed container. If the content looks cut off, simply drag the edges of the embed element to adjust its width and height. If it doesn't appear, double-check that the source allows embedding and uses a secure HTTPS link. If not, try the HTML option with the official embed code. That's all there is to it. Add the embed, pick the right type, and paste your link for a clean integrated result.